Okay, our second invertebrate that we're going to talk about are the cnidarians, and they are called cnidarians because they have these stinging cells that are called cnidocytes and that are unique to them. Cnidarians also were the first animals to move their entire body to be, some of them are free swimming, some of them are more stuck to the surface, but they can still move their whole body. Let's go back though and talk for a minute about these stinging cells. As I said, they're called cnidocytes. That means stinging cell. And they are at the surface of a cnidarian, and they're sensitive to touch. So when something touches this projection, it releases this barb and thread, and this whole structure is actually an organelle inside the stinging cell. And they can trap food particles that are larger than themselves. So that's pretty exciting. There are several different forms that cnidarians can take. The main ones are polyps and medusa. And the polyps are sessile, that means sort of stuck to the bottom and to some substrate, and then medusa are free swimming. And often species will go through both stages in their life cycle. So they may start out, well, we could start anywhere since it's a cycle, right? Let's start out as a egg and a sperm, as ovum and a sperm, making a zygote, forming a blastula, and then these are free swimming for a while, but then they land and form a polyp that can grow into kind of feeding sections and also reproductive sections. Don't worry about all these names, but these reproductive sections will bud off little free swimming medusa, some female, some male, and then the whole cycle can start out all over again. And one of the things that's really important to our planet that cnidarians provide are coral reefs. And so the next thing I want you to do is watch a video that talks about the importance of coral reefs to biodiversity. So that will be, we're going to stop here and have you watch that video, answer the questions that are in your that are on page 2 of your handout, and then we'll join each other to talk about flatworms, our third animal.